Welcome back everyone. So how you can install Postman in your Windows system? So how you can do it? Just open your Chrome browser. Okay, so I'll simply use Chrome browser and you can use any browser you want. Okay, so click on the search box and search here in the Google uh, Postman download. Okay, and you click the Postman download, the official site will appear here. Okay, so click on the first site and now you can see the here is the setup. Okay, so click on the download setup Windows 64-bit. Okay, so just click on it and just save it. Now you can see the setup is downloaded successfully. Just double click on it or you can right click and open it. So I'll just double click on it. When I double click on it, it will open. Okay, so just wait, and now you can see it's running. Okay, if you have any account you can log in with your account or direct sign in with your Google or other credentials. Okay, so that's it for today and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Okay, bye.